Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, today we're back on holidays out in Cuba, and we got a patio door that's a little stiff. Let me flip the camera around. There's the patio door track, and it's quite stiff. The wheels need more lubrication. So there is a little small bar of soap I have here. I don't have a candle handy, but we're gonna come down. We're gonna rub that right on that track. Oh yeah, lube that right up there. There we go. Gonna pop that open and let's, oh, that's a lot better already. Well, when you're in Cuba, you can't wait for the maintenance guy. You get that little bar of soap, and Bob's your uncle. We got her all working. If you like what you see, and press like and subscribe, we'll see you next time.